Good afternoon. We'll call this business meeting to order. Appreciate the members being here. Today we'll examine 2 resolutions and 3 bills, and we don't have any amendments filed for those bills. So we'll consider Senate Resolution 444, a resolution recognizing the heritage, culture, and contributions of American Indian, Native, Alaskan Native, and Native Hawaiian women in the United States. Senate Resolution 596, a resolution recognizing the 29th anniversary of the tribal canoe journey of the tribal nations of the Pacific Northwest and congratulating the Puyallup, I hope I said that right? Puyallup tribe for hosting 2018 Power Paddle to Puyallup. Senate 2788, a bill to repeal the act entitled An Act to Confer Jurisdiction on the state of North Dakota over offenses committed by or against Indians on the Devil's Lake Indian Reservation, which is actually now the Spirit Lake Reservation. House Resolution 2606, Stiegler Act Amendments of 2018, and H.R. 4032, Gila River Indian Community Federal Rights of Way Easements and Boundary Clarification Act. On March 22, 2018, Senator Murkowski introduced Senate Resolution 444 to recognize and honor the many contributions and achievements of Native American women, including their service in the U.S. Armed Forces. The resolution has 20 bipartisan co-sponsors, including 10 members of this committee. On July 26, 2018, Senator Cantwell introduced Senate Resolution 596. This resolution recognizes the 29th anniversary of the tribal canoe journey of the tribal nations of the Pacific Northwest and congratulates the Puyallup tribe of Indians for hosting the 2018 Power Paddle to Puyallup. It is co-sponsored by Senators Merkley and Murray. On April 26, 2018, Senator Heitkamp introduced S. 2788. If enacted, the bill would repeal a 1946 federal statute that authorized the state of North Dakota to prosecute crimes committed on the Spirit Lake Indian Reservation. Since passage of that law, of that 1946 law, the Spirit Lake tribe has established its own tribal court, criminal code, and law enforcement and public safety system. The repeal of this 1946 law is consistent with the tribe's right as a sovereign nation to prosecute authorized crimes occurring on the reservation. On November 14, 2018, the committee held a legislative hearing on S. 2788. At the hearing, both the administration and the tribe, represented by Vice Chairman Douglas Yankton Sr., testified in support of the bill. No amendments have been filed to S. 2788. I'll turn to Senator Heitkamp in a moment for comment on her bill. The second bill before the committee is H.R. 2606, the Stiegler Act Amendments of 2018. On May 23, 2017, Representative Cole, along with Representatives Lucas, Mullen, and Russell, introduced the Stiegler Act Amendments of 2018. The Stiegler Act of 1947 deals with the allotted lands of the Choctaw, Chickasaw, and Muskogee Creek, Cherokee, and Seminole tribal members in Oklahoma. H.R. 2606 amends the Stiegler Act of 1947 by removing the 1/2 degree blood quantum requirement needed to retain the restricted status of inherited, allotted tribal member lands. On October 4, 2017, the House Natural Resources Committee on Indian, Insular, and Alaska Native Affairs held a legislative hearing on the bill. On August 21, 2018, the bill was reported favorably by the full House Natural Resources Committee, and on September 12, 2018, the bill passed the House by a voice vote. On November 14, 2018, the committee held a legislative hearing on H.R. 2606. At this hearing, both the administration and the Honorable James Floyd, Principal Chief of the Muskogee Creek Nation, testified in support of the bill. No amendments have been filed to H.R. 2606. Third bill before the committee is H.R. 4032, the Gila River Indian Community Federal Rights of Way Easements and Boundary Clarification Act. H.R. 4032 was introduced by Representative Tom O'Halloran on September 12, 2017. The purpose of the legislation is to confirm undocumented federal rights of way or easements on the Gila River Indian Reservation, clarify the northern boundary of the tribe's reservation, and to take certain land located in Maricopa County and Pinal County, Arizona, into trust for the benefit of the tribe. February 6, 2018, the House Natural Resources Subcommittee on Indian, Insular, and Alaska Native Affairs held a legislative hearing on the bill. July 13, 2018, the bill was reported favorably by the full House Natural Resources Committee. And on July 17, 2018, the bill passed the House under the suspension of rules by voice vote. On November 14, 2018, the committee held a regular hearing over H.R. 4032. At this hearing, both the administration and Gila River Indian Community Councilman Barney B. Enos, Jr. testified in support of the bill. No amendments have been filed to H.R. 4032.